Model, 66-plate CITROEN BERLINGO 1.6 HDI Enterprise Euro 6 unrecorded damage body, silver, panel van mileage, 94,726 engine, 1,560 cc DV6 FE transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. No damage to any suspension components. The only damage that needs repairing is to the passenger side as seen in the pictures. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent condition other than the obvious damage to the passenger side. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £5,950. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,